मैंने पहले जब जा रहे थे मैंने बोला था आई थिंक इल बी 3-0 तो इंडिया विन नहीं ऑस्ट्रेलिया विन। अगर 3-0 भी हो जाए तो ठीक है, 5 टेस्ट में सीरीज है। कुछ लोगों को गलतफहमी बहुत ज्यादा हो गई थी और मेरे को लगता है कि एक रियलिटी चेक तो हो चुका था, 3 मैच हार के गए न्यूजीलैंड से। तो पर ऑस्ट्रेलिया को आप अंडरमाइन कैसे कर सकते हो? आप पिछली बार गए थे, पहली बार गए थे तो वार्नर और वो नहीं थे, तो पिछली बार गए थे बहुत बढ़िया काम किया आपने। जो काम किया पिछली बार जाके होता नहीं है। अब क्या था कि भाई वो है कि हम हर बार जाएंगे ऑस्ट्रेलिया से जीत के आएंगे, ऐसा होता नहीं है। So I think we had overestimations about our team and we should have reality check. और WTC के चक्कर में 2 बार इतनी बुरी तरह हार चुके हो, nobody is bothered वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप। अभी ऐसा नेसेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है कि उसकी ट्रैक्शन नहीं आई है। तो आप अगर वहां नहीं भी पहुंचते हो, जेनेरिकली एवरीबडी नोज विच टीम इज द बेस्ट। नाउ does anybody think that South Africa deserves? Of course they deserve because they have reached. किसी ने नाम ही नहीं लिया था उनका, साउथ अफ्रीका पहुंच गए टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप में। आप वहां पे अपनी सीरीज बचाओ। आई थिंक इवन इफ यू डोंट रीच WTC एंड यू बीट ऑस्ट्रेलिया, आई थिंक व्हाट इज बिगर, एवरीबडी नोज एज अ क्रिकेटर। सो आई थिंक that's a given thing that Australia is better this series and our main big boys are not performing, and that is hurting the team. Individual performances in cricket, yeah, you get Nitish Reddy, wonderful, you got 100, but what good is that 100 when the team loses? This is the problem with our consuming fans, that they put individuals' performances ahead of the team. It's a team sport, you know. If somebody, and nobody's talking about Gukesh, he's become the world champion. He'll not get a single ad in the news. So this is what happens, because once you make these heroes and then they don't do well, then you get upset. So you are the ones who build them up, and we should realize that it's a team sport. We should consume it as such. Individual performance is only as good if your team wins. So we should treat it in such a manner that players also, they just don't get in the mode that okay, once we do well, it doesn't really matter if we lose, because once they do well, they'll get personal glory, personal contracts, money. But in the end, if your team is not winning, it's pointless.
सर लास्ट डे था 10 विकेट प्ले आउट करना था एक डे को, क्या इतना टफ था?
प्ले आउट करने के लिए वो बैट्समैन ही नहीं हमारे पास, डर्टी बैटिंग। एवरीबडी इज अ स्टार, फ्लैम्बॉयंट मारने जा रहे हैं। जो परफॉर्मर्स कौन सा है? जायसवाल है, नीतीश रेड्डी है, बुमराह तो चलो जीनियस है आपके पास। इसके अलावा द यूजुअल सस्पेक्ट्स हैव नॉट इवन रेज्ड देयर हैंड इन दिस सीरीज एंड दैट्स हर्टिंग। We know ऋषभ पंत की बात होती है। Again, ऋषभ पंत also has created such an aura about him that whenever he does this is how he's become a star also. But this is a dangerous line, because that's the only way he plays. I know him since the 16-year-old. वो क्या, अब every time you're stuck and he plays the same way, the way he has won matches for India, but when he doesn't succeed, then everybody goes, ये क्या हो रहा, वो क्या हो रहा. But it's not that. These are just cherry picking the points and finding some excuses. But Australia has outplayed you. They are a better team. Simple as that.
No sir, but having said the same thing, वो shot wasn't needed. उसके लिए Travis Head था, वो fielder भी लगा हुआ था पीछे. He played it in the air and was caught.
Yes, sir. This is hindsight is perfect vision. बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, you can always look back and say ऐसा होना चाहिए था। पर जब ऐसी बैटिंग करके उसने मैचेस जिताए भी हैं, तब कहते हैं वाह क्या जीनियस है। ये होता है। तो आई थिंक ही ऑल्सो नोज दैट। अब बट वो अपनी गेम कर्टेल करेगा, तब आप बोलोगे कि ठीक है। बट आई वुड प्रेफर, बिकॉज वंस यू आर प्लेइंग द 3 फॉर्मेट्स and each format you cannot please everybody, so you can't have your cake and eat it too. This is the way he's straddled, he's come back, that's why he's a hero. But I think the problem is bigger than just Rishabh Pant's that odd shot. It is collectively that you cannot bat dirty and ugly in a session to save a test match. This is the point.
Sir, I'm talking about once again Virat and Rohit failed to deliver single-digit score for both of them. So,
yeah, I feel sorry. देखो इतना बड़ा player है, अच्छा, it hurts when you see them struggle, because when this is the end of your career, what happens for me if you leave it too late? Because there are millions of fans. I know I will get a lot of abuse today after this. But क्या है कि because people who are the fans, they will get these memories etched. When you're a great player, you'll remember them struggling. You don't want to leave the sport with these memories. This has always been an issue. So, but it's a hard decision. I mean, Rohit ke liye zyada, because Bumrah's got more wickets than Rohit runs in this series, by the way. So you can see that, and he also knows the great players, बहुत अच्छा किया, कमाल का खिलाड़ी. पर जब वो struggle कर रहा है, I think पहले history में कई examples हैं. As a captain, he can, from in my eyes, get huge respect if he says, okay, I'll drop myself. क्या इसमें क्या हो जाएगा? Because in a team sport, you should pick the best 11 players on that day and then choose the captain. Not the captain को पहले लिख लो फिर टीम बनाओ, ऐसे टीम जीतती नहीं है। तो आई थिंक इफ इन हिज स्टेट, यू कैन सी द वे ही वेंट टू प्ले दैट शॉट फर्स्ट इनिंग में। On any given day, that old Rohit Sharma would have put it over mid wicket. But he went for the shot immediately, instinct है ना उसका trigger है. Suddenly he thought, oh my God, I have to just तो बीच में फंस गया ऐसे करके. It looked more ugly. So I think he knows in his state of mind, not that he's is less of a player. He'll come back also, but he said, okay, I'm not in a good mind frame. Let me sit out and play Sarfaraz. Yeah, क्या पता वो क्योंकि that he is the kind of guy. You know, you never know. His game is not suited for those pitches. If you are convinced that he's not suited, why take him to Australia and just make him the water boy? You know, so this is the problem. You know, harsh decision India में लेता नहीं कोई. You know, that's why थोड़ा सा जो ethos है, जो उनका culture है Australian cricket का वो better है. You know, they don't flinch. They just tap on anybody's any great player. They keep wanting. Steve Waugh was told that if you don't announce your retirement now, we're going to drop you. So Steve Waugh decided to retire, announced that after this series I'll retire. Not in the middle of the series. And that's why we should not even ask questions, when are you retiring? Abhi Rohit Sharma se पूछ रहे थे. So this is wrong. And I would hate that he retires in such a low phase. You know, I'm sure he can take a step back and come back stronger.
Sir, say about Virat.
Virat has got runs, but he also knows, you know, जिस खिलाड़ी को पता हो, and they are very sorted mentally. But क्या है कि जो player होता है उनको लगता है कि yes, my best is around the corner. अभी करूँगा. But you know, such a long spell is hurting the team, and even questioning that they should be dropped. You know, there's a lynch mob comes after you. So, but they also know कि भाई क्या हो रहा. So I think exit plan होता है ना, succession policy must be clear. It's not fair on the management, the team, and the cricketing structure that we don't know what is in your mind.